Okay.
Hi. My mom's gonna read the book, and my dog, of course, is in like the story. But I'm just gonna tell you about her, but because I forgot to make a picture of her. So I hope you have fun. Bye.
Your dog's in this story?
No, but I forgot to make it.
Oh, so maybe your next story, your dog will be in your next story? Oh, okay. So this one you wrote yesterday. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Princess. One day she went outside. I can't read it. She saw a little bird on the floor. It was a hummingbird. The bird had a little crack in its wing. The princess, please stop. The princess brought it to the hospital, and the doctor made it healthy. The doctor put the bird in a cage and gave it to the princess. Princess Bella brought the cage outside and opened it very slowly. The bird zoomed out. The princess said, "The bird is very healthy." The end. Here's the artwork. This over here is the princess. There's the bird with the cracked wing, broken cracked wing. The princess is wearing a very fancy crown. The person in the middle, that is the queen, correct? The queen and the princess both have matching skirts.
And then this is the doctor and the big sister.
This is the doctor, who happens to also be the big sister to the princess. And these are unicorns. Every story needs a unicorn.
Yeah.
The end. Did you want to say something else about your story?
So, this story is written by Makaela Jr.
Makaela Jr. Okay. Is that it?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.